Hi everyone, welcome back to English with Ghofran. I am happy you are here today. This is an A1 English listening practice lesson. Please relax, listen carefully, and enjoy today's lesson. Today's topic is healthy habits. I think healthy habits are very important. Small habits can make a big difference in our lives. You don't need to change everything in one day. Small steps every day can help you feel happier and healthier. One healthy habit is drinking enough water. I also try to drink water during the day. Water helps my body stay healthy. It also helps me feel fresh and full of energy. Another healthy habit is eating a good breakfast. I don't like to skip breakfast. A healthy breakfast gives me energy for the day. I enjoy eating eggs, cheese, fresh bread, tomatoes, cucumbers, and fruit. Sometimes I also drink a cup of tea. Fruit and vegetables are also very important. I try to eat fruit every day. Apples, bananas, oranges, and grapes are some of my favorite fruits. I also like fresh vegetables because they are good for my body. Exercise is another habit. You don't have to go to the gym every day. A short walk is a great way to stay active. Sometimes I walk in the park. Sometimes I walk around my neighborhood. Walking helps me relax and feel better. Getting enough sleep is also very important. I try to go bed at the same time every night. A good night's sleep helps me wake up feeling fresh and ready for a new day. When I don't sleep well, I feel tired and can't focus easily. Healthy habits are not only about food and exercise, they are also about taking care of your mind. I like reading books because reading helps me learn new things. I also enjoy listening to English every day. Even 10 or 15 minutes of listening practice can help me improve. Learning something new is a healthy habit too. Sometimes I write new English words in a notebook, then I read them again before I go to bed. This helps me remember them. I also try to spend less time looking at my phone. Instead, I enjoy talking with my family, going outside, or reading a good book. These simple activities make me feel calm and happy. Another important habit is being kind. A smile, a kind word, or helping someone can make a big difference. Kindness is good for other people, and it is also good for us. Nobody has perfect habits. Sometimes I eat too much chocolate. Sometimes I forget to drink enough water. Sometimes I stay up too late. That's okay. The important thing is to try again the next day. Healthy habits take time, little by little. They become part of your daily life. I believe that small changes can bring big results. That's why I always try to do my best, one day at a time. Thank you for listening today. I hope you enjoyed this English listening practice. Now, I have a question for you. What is one healthy habit that you have every day? Write your answer in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English with Ghofran, and join me for more easy English listening lessons. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.